In this video, I'll show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link with others. This will be a quick and simple step-by-step tutorial. First, go to google.com/drive and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Then, click on Go to Drive to access your dashboard. Once you're in Google Drive, there are two ways to upload your video. You can click the New button in the top left corner and select File Upload, or you can open your File Explorer, locate your video file, and drag and drop it directly into Google Drive. When you choose your file, it will begin uploading. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. Wait until the upload is complete before moving to the next step. After the video has uploaded, locate the file in your drive. Right-click on the video and select Share. Then click Share again in the pop-up window. By default, the file will be set to Restricted, which means people will need permission to access the video. To allow anyone with the link to view the video, click on the Access settings and change it to Anyone with the link. Make sure the permission level is set correctly. Viewer allows people to view and download the video. Editor allows people to make changes, add files, or even delete the video. In most cases, you'll want to leave it set to Viewer. Once you've selected the appropriate setting, click Copy Link. You can now send that link to anyone and they'll be able to access and download the video. When someone opens the link, they'll be taken to a preview page where they can watch the video or download it using the Download button in the top right corner. And that's it. That's how you upload a video to Google Drive and share the link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful and easy guides. Thanks for watching.